Whenever we change direct speech or direct narration into indirect speech or indirect narration, we make use of three changes, and they are change of person, change of tense, and change of sentence. These changes are applied according to certain rules. First is change of person. First person is changed into subject. Second person is changed into object. Third person requires no change. Now I explain it. First is change of person, and first person of reported speech is changed according to the subject of the reporting verb. Second person is changed into object. Second person of reported speech changes according to the object of the reporting verb. If the person of reported speech is third person, no change is applied. This is regarding change of person. Second change that is applied is regarding the change of sentence. In this connection, I would like to make it clear that if the reported speech is in assertive sentence, or if the reported speech is assertive sentence, the reported speech of indirect narration does not change on the basis of the sentence. For example, if I say, he says, I play, the reported speech is assertive sentence, therefore no change regarding the change of sentence will be applied here. If the reported speech is interrogative sentence or imperative sentence or optative sentence or exclamatory sentence, certain rules will be applicable, and those rules will be discussed. Then there is change of tense. If the reporting verb is present or future tense, in that case the reported speech in indirect speech will not be changed. For example, he says, she reads a book. In this sentence, the reported speech is in present tense, therefore there won't be any change. Another example is that he will say, I play. When you examine this sentence, you find that reporting verb is in future tense, therefore in indirect speech the tense of the reported speech will not be changed. In simple words, it can be said that if the reporting verb of direct speech is either present tense or future tense, the reported speech into indirect narration will not be changed. Contrary to it, if the reporting verb is in past tense, then the reported speech into indirect narration will be changed according to some rules. If the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech is in simple past, it will be changed into past perfect tense. If the reporting verb is in past tense and if the reported speech is in simple present tense, it will be changed into simple past tense. Similarly, present continuous will be changed into past continuous, present perfect will be changed into past perfect, present perfect continuous will be changed into past perfect continuous. If the reporting verb is in past tense and the reported speech in past continuous tense, it will be changed into past perfect continuous tense. So these are the rules regarding the change of tense and the change of sentence. One thing that is very remarkable is that if the direct speech denotes universal truth or that kind of truth which is universal or acceptable, then any type of change is not applied. Example, if I say, he said the sun rises in the east. In this sentence, the reported speech denotes universal truth. Therefore, change of person, change of tense, and the change of sentences rules will not be applied here.